Welcome to Review Lab. The best stainless steel creamer pitcher is probably one of the most versatile and durable kitchen tools you can add to your arsenal, offering a sleek, modern aesthetic that complements any countertop while providing unparalleled functionality for everything from frothing milk for your morning latte to serving sauces and dressings with effortless elegance, making it an indispensable asset for both home baristas and culinary enthusiasts alike. Number 5. HULISEN 6.8 ounces stainless steel milk frothing pitcher. Crafted from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, this pitcher is rust-free and built to last. Its smooth, polished surface and clear internal markings ensure accurate measurements every time. Experience mess-free pouring with its innovative dripless spout, perfect for creating beautiful latte art. The sturdy, ergonomic handle offers a comfortable and heat-resistant grip. Its compact size makes it ideal for single-handed use, saving space on your counter. This small pitcher is designed to complement your espresso machine perfectly. Effortlessly froth and steam milk for all your favorite coffee drinks like lattes and cappuccinos. It empowers you to pour and create like a professional barista at home. Surprise the coffee enthusiast or home chef in your life with this versatile pitcher. It's an essential tool for any coffee bar, elevating the daily coffee ritual. Cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse it under running water or pop it into the dishwasher. Enjoy convenience without compromising on quality. What we like? This small pitcher is perfect for single servings and precise latte art. If you are looking for a compact pitcher that fits easily in your hand and offers clear measurement guides, this is a great choice. Its dripless spout ensures a clean pour every time, making it ideal for home baristas who want to practice their latte art skills without the mess. What people say? The pitcher is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. It has a comfortable handle and a spout that pours without dripping. The capacity is perfect for frothing milk for 1 or 2 cups of coffee. Number 4. 12 ounces stainless steel milk frothing pitcher. Transform your kitchen into a personal cafe with this essential tool. Create beautiful, cafe-style drinks right at home with ease. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, this pitcher is built to last. Enjoy its durable, rust-resistant design for countless coffee creations. Achieve the perfect milk volume every time with clear, laser-etched measurement marks. Its smooth interior ensures easy cleaning and minimal residue. Unleash your inner barista with the precision spout designed for controlled pouring. Effortlessly create intricate latte art like hearts and tulips. The ergonomic handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, giving you enhanced control. Steaming milk and pouring foam becomes a seamless experience. This set includes a matching stainless steel latte art pen for those final, artistic touches. It's everything you need for frothing, steaming, and crafting delicious espresso drinks. What we like? This pitcher offers a larger capacity for more milk, perfect for crafting multiple drinks or larger lattes. If you're aiming for professional-looking latte art and appreciate having the right tools, the included latte art pen will be a significant advantage. Its precision spout is designed for controlled pouring, making it easier to achieve those intricate designs. What people say? The pitcher is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. It has a good capacity for frothing milk for multiple drinks. The spout is designed for precise pouring, preventing spills and drips. Number 3. Stainless steel Bell Creamer Espresso Shot Frothing Pitcher Cup. Introducing our compact 3-ounce creamer, perfect for serving milk, cream, or syrups. Its elegant design makes it a great addition to any food service setting. Enjoy a mess-free experience with its rounded pouring spout and comfortable handle. This pitcher is designed for easy and convenient use. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this pitcher is built to last. It won't absorb any flavors or colors, ensuring pure taste every time. Beyond milk and cream, it's ideal for serving sauces, dressings, or syrups. Its versatility makes it a practical choice for various culinary needs. This durable and practical cup is an excellent choice for restaurants, hotels, and coffee shops. Elevate your beverage and food service with this stylish pitcher. What we like? This is a very small pitcher, ideal for individual servings of cream or milk. If you need a compact and stylish option for serving small amounts of liquid at a table, this pitcher's elegant design and mess-free spout make it a great choice. It's perfect for adding a touch of class to coffee service in restaurants or at home. What people say? The pitcher is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. It has a good capacity for frothing milk from multiple drinks. The spout is designed for precise pouring, reducing spills and drips. Number 2. Winco Stainless Steel Bell Creamer, 8 ounce. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this creamer is built to last. Its durable construction ensures rust resistance for long-term use. The unique bell shape is designed for accuracy. It allows for a precise pour every time, adding an elegant touch to your table service. Designed with your convenience in mind, it features a comfortable handle. This ensures a secure grip, helping to prevent messy spills. Its polished finish gives it a timeless appeal. This adds a touch of sophistication to any dining environment. Maintenance is a breeze with this piece. Its easy-to-clean design ensures it stays looking great with minimal effort. What we like. This pitcher combines durability with an elegant bell shape for a refined presentation. If you prioritize a sturdy, rust-resistant pitcher that also looks sophisticated on the table, this is an excellent option. Its design facilitates precise pouring, making it suitable for both cream and coffee service. What people say. The spout is designed for a perfect pour, minimizing drips and spills. Its sturdy construction ensures durability and long-lasting use. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable and secure grip. Number 1. Fit Meal Prep 12-pack 3 ounces stainless steel creamer pitchers. Discover the ideal serving solution with our 5-ounce capacity mini cups. They are perfectly sized for individual servings of milk, cream, or dressings, fitting seamlessly into your daily routine at home or in commercial settings. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these pitchers are built to last. They resist rust, stains, and breakage, offering a superior alternative to glass or ceramic options. Enhance your table setting with their elegant mirror finish. The drip-free spout ensures a clean pour every time, assisting you in creating beautiful latte art with ease. These versatile mini pitchers are perfect for a variety of uses. Serve cream for coffee, maple syrup for breakfast, or dressings for salads. They also function as convenient measuring cups for espresso machines. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This durable, food-grade pitcher set makes an excellent housewarming or wedding present. It's easy to clean, store, and suitable for both hot and cold servings. What we like. This pack offers great value with multiple small pitchers, perfect for businesses or frequent use. If you need a durable, rust-resistant pitcher for various serving needs like milk, syrup, or dressing, this is a practical choice. Its drip-free spout and comfortable handle ensure a clean and easy serving experience for your customers or family. What people say. The spout is designed to prevent drips, making for a cleaner pour. It's made of durable stainless steel, which is easy to clean and resistant to rust. The handle is comfortable to grip, providing good control when pouring. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.